I'm Mrs. Painter. Welcome to my kitchen. Please like, share, and subscribe. We have had a house guest this past week, so I'm a little behind on my projects, and we are out of dog treats. So today's project is making dog treats, and these are super simple and easy to follow. Let's go ahead and turn around to our work surface here so you can see what we're working with. All right, so I do buy this in bulk. This is groats. It's a less refined version of oats. This is some natural peanut butter from Mount Hope Wholesale. And the important thing to note is there's no xylitol in that. A lot of the commercial peanut butters are now adding xylitol to them, and an egg. And the only other thing we need is a little bit of water, and a flour shaker. So the first thing we're going to do is let's measure out our cup of groats. And we are going to grind this in our blender. So we need 1 cup of oats, which will give us 1 cup of oat flour when we're finished. All right, that's about right. This in our container for grinding. Try not to spill it everywhere. Let's give this a quick processing. There we go. That was not hard at all. So let's come over and add this into our bowl. Get that angle right. I've used quinoa, I've used bulgur, and this week we are using groats to make oat flour for this recipe. Now we want to add in a 1/4 cup of natural peanut butter, and I'm just going to roughly measure this. I had this refrigerated, so it is a little bit stiff. Quite stiff, actually. Okay, I think that'll work for us. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to kind of roughly mix this in. I really should get myself one of those pastry blender devices. In fact, that's a good idea. I think I'll do that. But for now, this will work fine. It's always nice to be able to do stuff using the most basic tools. That means everybody can do it. Not that a pastry blender isn't basic. Just about have this blended enough. And then we'll go ahead and add an egg in. All right, here we go. Grab our flour shaker. Let's go ahead and get this egg blended in. Let's kind of roughly mix it, combine it. I would say that the oats and the quinoa work a little better than the bulgur. The bulgur worked, but it was more coarse when I ground it. So I didn't quite get it to the flour consistency that I would have liked. All right. Let's add a little water in here. Just a little. You only need as much as it takes to help you form a ball of dough. So maybe 1/8 of a cup to 1/4 of a cup. You don't want to get it too wet. This into a ball now. And this is working nicely. We also have a nice little doggy treat cookie cutter. Found this on Amazon. I'll include a link if I can still find the same one available. So just a little flour on your surface so that we can keep it from sticking. Let's go ahead and roll this out some. And actually, while we're at it, let's preheat our oven. So I'm going to bake at 325. So I think you probably want to roll this out to about 1/4 inch thick, not much thinner. And I'm just going to take this. And it'll be stuck inside here, but you can use another object. My finger is small enough, I can go ahead and loosen it like this to get it to come out. So it comes out really nicely. We're just going to do this repeatedly and fill up our pan with our little dog treats. And part of the reason we're making our own treats is we don't necessarily trust some of the treat products that are out there for safety, and it's cheaper. And I like to store my dog treats in the refrigerator. I have a small dish of them out on the table, but I store the bulk of them in the refrigerator and just take them out for daily usage. Alrighty, we've got our treats all rolled out here and cut and ready to go in. Our oven is at 325 and we're going to bake this for 20 minutes. Look out, Meg. Set our timer for 20 minutes. And we'll be back when this is ready to come out. Our timer is going off. Let's pull our dog treats out of the oven. And oh my goodness, look, somebody's here. Somebody's here. She wants to participate. Let's hope she doesn't get stage fright. What a good girl. Meg. So these are our treats that we just pulled out. They turned out fabulous. And I have a little dish that I put them into over here. Just one of these that has a little lid that pops on. Let's take a few of these off. They scoop up super easy. Oh, Meg, let's get you a treat. Come on. Come on. I think this is about cooled enough. You want a treat? Come here. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Well, thanks for watching.